back, everyone, for our Hump Day hiking series. We are back here in New Orleans East. We're at Joe Brown Park and the Audubon Institute, and we are going to check out their trails. Now, these are really easy trails, great for families. The Joe Brown Trail, really simple trail, gravel trail, right behind me here. That just goes off into a little bit of wooded area, and there's really cool nature trails and discovery trails at the Audubon Institute. The trails are no longer than a mile, so really great for families with small kids. The only note we have is know that the Audubon trails right now, because of COVID regulations, they're just open from 9 a.m. to noon. So get out here in the morning. All right, let's go check these out.